What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to teach you guys how I use that animal fat oil which I did in my previous video. Animal fat oil, another name for it is called tallow oil. So I use that tallow oil gotten from the animal fat which I did in my previous video to make this beautiful soap you are seeing here. So I want to teach you guys how I use the oil in making this soap. So just watch attentively if you want to know how to use the tallow oil in making a tablet soap for washing clothes, for bathing, and for other stuff. So just watch how I made this soap using tallow oil. Right over here are my ingredients I'll be using to make this tablet soap. Here is my caustic soda. I'm making use of 368 grams of caustic soda. You will need a digital scale to know this measurement. You will need a scale. Then here is my water. I'm making use of 1200 grams. Don't forget to know the measurement in grams. You will need a digital scale. You can purchase one. It's not expensive. It's very affordable. Go to where they sell things for pastries. They sell scales there. Purchase a cheap digital scale. Use them to take your measurements. Now I'm dissolving my caustic soda in the water. Once I'm done stirring it properly, I'm going to keep it aside to cool down. Because when you dissolve soda in water, it becomes very hot. The mixture gets very, very hot. So you have to keep it aside to cool down, which I'm going to do next. Now I'll be mixing my oils together. Over here I'm making use of 300 grams of groundnut oil, which is also known as peanut oil. Over here is my palm kernel oil. I'll be adding palm kernel oil to this my recipe. Reason because palm kernel oil will cause my soap to leather. Palm kernel oil aids soap to leather. Next is our tallow oil. This is the oil I've been talking about. This was the oil I taught you guys how to make in my previous video. It's called tallow oil. It's a very cheap oil. It's good for those that want to make profit in soap making. We will be using tallow oil in this our video to make a laundry bar soap. We are mixing 3 oils together. Tallow oil, which is animal fat oil. Check my previous video if you want to learn how to make animal fat oil. It's a very cheap oil. We are using palm kernel oil and then the groundnut oil. You can literally use only 2 oils. You can use tallow oil and palm kernel oil. Use palm kernel oil in smaller quantity. Use the tallow oil in larger quantity so that you can make profit. You know, palm kernel oil is very expensive, so use it in a lower quantity. Then use your tallow oil in a larger quantity. So right now I'm mixing all my oils together. I want my tallow oil to melt. So I just mix all the oils together first, then place it on fire and melt the tallow oil. Also, I run online classes on WhatsApp. You can reach me through the description of this video to join the class, or you reach me through this phone number displayed on the screen of this video to join my online class, where you learn a lot. You learn how to make the laundry bar soap, the body cream, the organic soap, you learn how to extract oil from animal fats. You know how to make powder detergent, hair shampoo, liquid soap. You know how to bleach palm oil without using fire. There's a lot of things you learn in my online class. There's a lot you learn. Just reach me on WhatsApp to join the class. Here is the soap equipment we produce at our soap making company here. If you need this mold, you can reach me on the phone number I'll be displaying on the screen to purchase it. The mold is very affordable. It's just 10,500 naira. It's very easy to use, very convenient, no stress, and very durable. You can see it's made of wood and rubber, so this one cannot break. This is wood and the wood is coated, so it will not be affected by your chemicals. This is very easy to use. You can reach me to purchase it. We deliver nationwide, and we also deliver to other countries. So if you need this soap mold, reach me on the phone number on WhatsApp to purchase it. Also, we have ebooks available. If you need an ebook that will give you directions on how to produce things like soap, body cream, organic soap, liquid soap, hair shampoo, hair conditioner, the bleach, the Dettol, there's a lot you'll learn in my ebook. My ebook also has recipes on how to produce soap, and all those things I mentioned, there are recipes there, and how to also purchase a NAFDAC registration number is in my ebook. Where to purchase chemicals is in my ebook also. After 24 hours, which is the following day, I came back to the workshop to remove the soap out of the soap mold. You will see how easy this mold is. It's not difficult, very easy to use. See how easy I'll remove this soap out of this soap mold. Very easy to use, very convenient, no stress. You see how I will take this out of the mold with ease. Don't forget, the mold is very affordable. It's just 10,500 naira, and we deliver nationwide and to other countries. You can reach me on this phone number to purchase it. So this mold will help you produce 6 long tablets of soap, which you can later cut it into smaller sizes with using your kitchen knife. You don't even need a special cutter for this. Your kitchen knife is enough. You cut it into smaller sizes, the size you want. You cut it and maybe package it and sell it. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it with others that want to learn how to make use of tallow oil in making soap. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time on my next video. Goodbye and have a lovely day.